Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
What's up guys, Pallab here, and today we're talking about this new pair of headphones called Energy Systems Headphones 1 Bluetooth. Now as the name suggests, they are Bluetooth of course, and these are those headphones. You see they come in various colors, like this one is blue, and you also get gray and white and red and whatnot. So pretty funky looking headphones. So guys, let's start with the design and the build quality. It's all plastic and it feels plasticky, and that's probably one thing that you want to take note of. These won't be very durable as they all are made of plastic. However, the design is really good, and I'll talk about two things, mainly three things actually. First of all, you see these the shape of those drums. Those are not exactly round, but they are kind of matches the shape of your ears, so they sit pretty nicely. That's one thing. The cushion is plush as well. It's nice, latterite finish, and also you have these holes around here so that it does not retain your sweat. Number two is that they get folded pretty nicely, which makes them very compact to travel. However, no pouch comes with the bag, with the packet, so you'll have to buy a pouch separately if you want to carry them in a pouch. And number three is that they are very comfortable to wear, mainly because they are not very tight on your head. They do not like go around, clasp your ears like anything. So you can wear them for a very long period of time. And also this kind of rotate just a bit so that you can just adjust them a bit here and there, and they are not stiff. So design wise they are amazing. Build quality wise they could have been better. I would have liked some metal part here and there. So feature wise, yeah, obviously Bluetooth, but they also work with work in the wired mode. They have given wire as well, an aux cable, typical aux cable. So you have a 3.5 mm jack on this side, and your typical aux, another aux also will go in there. On the other side you have the micro USB port, so charging is quite easy, but do not charge it with like a very powerful adapter that might burn the socket here, the motor. So just use like let's say 700 milliampere kind of a charger. You also have the mics and noise cancelling mic and those kind of thing. And then you have three buttons. You have the volume button, you have the call control plus pause button. That's about it really about the buttons and ports. These are 40 mm drivers, and then obviously Bluetooth, this they connect very easily, and once connected it's very easy to connect, and like just switch them on and switch on the Bluetooth on your smartphones, and they get connected automatically. They say 10-meter range, but I found it's more like 7 to 8 meters. Now about the battery life, they claim at least 8 hours of Bluetooth battery life. We found closer to that. We found about 7.5 hours of battery life, which is to say it's not the best in the market, but still to do at this price point. Now coming to the sound, which is the main aspect of any headphones or earphones, right? So first of all, they sound good, but if you're a bass lover, then look elsewhere. The bass is not that deep or thumpy. The bass is just about there. So they're more neutral sounded, and so they would be great for listening to typical your Bollywood or let's say jazz or any classical music or other pop music, those which do not who do not depend on the bass too much. But if you like hip hop, EDMs, metal, then probably you would like a headphones with better bass than this, or at least more bass than this. As far as the clarity is concerned, the clarity is there. The mids and the high are very well separated, even with the low. Sometimes the mid gets muffled at times when you're like when the volume is too much, but overall I see the clarity really nice. The sound stage also warm. I generally like warm open sound stages, so this is warm and open. This does not sound very closed, and that's probably mainly to do with that this being, you know, not very tightly hold on to a head, so you feel like the sound isn't coming straight into your ears. You're not listening to sound in a very closed environment, so that's good thing. You can enjoy them more and for a longer period of time. So this costs about 2200, and depending on the color you might have to pay like 100 rupees extra, but for 2200 Bluetooth pair of headphones, I think they are good value for money if you're not looking for a headphone for years to come, mainly because of the durability, and if you're not typically a bass lover. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, ask anything related to this, and we'll try to answer them all. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video to share the love. You can click on the button on the center, and then you can subscribe to our channel, and you'll get to know whenever we publish new videos. Thank you.